To make a copy of a file, go to File, Make a Copy. A window will pop open. Here's where you will name your file. Then you can save it straight to My Drive, or if you left click, this will bring up the option where maybe you want to save it to a shared drive. If you click on My Drive here, the arrow over to the right, you can then choose a specific folder that you want to put it in. Once you choose that folder, click on Select, and then you will choose Make a Copy. One other thing I did want to point out here is when you were on this file, Make a Copy, and you click on My Drive, notice down here, once you click this arrow to get in, there is a plus sign here where you can create a new folder. Once you title that, maybe I'm just going to call it My Weekly Agendas, click the little check mark here, then choose Select, and notice it'll say Weekly Agendas here, and then you can click on that option to make a copy. A new tab does open up at the top here with your new file. You'll notice this one now, I do have edit rights. I'm the owner of this one. This file back here, the original one, I actually was not the owner. I only had view rights. But keep in mind, you can make copies of files you have edit rights to or view rights to. However, keep in mind, if you were collaborating on a file with someone and you make a copy of it, you will no longer see the edits that they are making on that original file because now you have created a new one that you're looking at. So just make sure that you don't get that confused because you can end up with many different versions of a file.